this is Hannah from KSCRAFT. So today I'm going to do a tutorial video for this center tag box die set. So the die looks like this, and this is the project I shared before. And let's start. So first you need to cut this one and this one time, and this is the layering piece for this part. And here is the layering piece, so you need to cut this piece 2 times to fit here and here. And then you got this piece, and this piece is for layering piece on the bottom, and also is for the belt of the center that you can use on top like this. And here is the barcode, and then you got these 2 pieces. So for these 2 is to make this part and this part. So I cut both of these with foam, so it will it will make it dimensional. So I have cut all these out, and I cut the base piece twice just because the paper I use is a little thin, so I want to make it more sturdy by adding an extra piece. And here is the layering piece. So I also cut the foam for both pieces. So first stick these 2 pieces together. And then stick this piece here, and stick this piece here. And then layer these 2. Just make sure you layer it in the right place, because this is a not regular circle. And now stick all these layering pieces in the right place. And now stick the belt here. And for the barcode, I use the glitter foam to make it just, a little dimensional. And fold it along this scoring line. Then stick this part here. So this center tag box is ready to go, and yeah, you can put your stuff inside to send your happy mails. And yeah, I love this design. It's very simple and very easy to assemble. Really did not take too many time. Literally, let me see, I used 12 minutes to make this tag, to assemble this tag. So yeah, I think this would be a time saver for your happy mail tags. So hope you like this one, and I will link the link in the description box below. And also this tag is available to pre-order on Amazon now, so definitely check our link. So thank you for watching. I'll catch you in my next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.